gonna try to make some feeling. Hey y'all, today we're gonna try to make some feeling videos. Look. Okay, so we do not have nothing to stand our phone up. Keep saying that. Okay, I don't have nothing to stand my phone up at the moment, so I'm gonna try my best to record it. But we're gonna be filling like 3 glosses. We will go back and fill the whole thing with all of our containers. We're gonna show you how to set up how we redid everything a little bit later. But yeah, and on live we will be announcing in here the name for our blue gloss, the one with the hearts, the peach flavor, the random one. And we'll be making 2 new glosses. We're gonna make one on live and the other one we're probably gonna make in this video. We don't know yet. But yeah, we have 2 new glosses on the way. Not gonna tell you the flavors yet. But yeah, and it's all gonna tie together for our new collection that's dropping. Which our new collection will be in these rose gold wands. The old one, the shimmer collection, will not be in these. It's only gonna be in the ring pops and the baby bottles. But let's get the feeling. Okay, so we're gonna start with our blue gloss. Okay. Oh, that was cool. And in filling these, you can't go too far because the stopper, so you never want to go all the way to the top. But far enough. What you doing, baby? It's nice. But it is hard. It is hard to record and like try to see and get it filled nice because how my camera is sitting. So this video might be quicker than I expected. We took off our glove to get a good video and stuff because I don't want the bottle to get too greasy because the glove was. But my hands is clean. But the first Aries love spell is done. I'm gonna go back and do the other ones. Then we're gonna move on to the next gloss. So we finished the Aries love spell. Now we're on to our citrus party gloss. Then our what's a pink? Yeah, so for some reason this gloss actually looks more cloudy when filled with like, let me show you, hold on. So it looks like this. Okay, so as I was saying, for some reason it looks all cloudy and stuff. So I might swap the name to Clouded Citrus instead because it actually works because all the like pictures I found that I want to use as backgrounds, it was actually clouds and stuff instead, so that kind of works. for me. But yeah, I had to put a towel down because my niece came and she's a kid. When kids get quiet, just know something's going wrong. Towel down to avoid any mess, and now we just now got focused. Okay, so now we about to get into our Why So Pink ones. Then, okay, we got something that's coming. But it won't be in this video, or will it? I don't know yet. Okay, so we finished filling our first one. Well, our first Why So Pink, and this is the outcome of how they look. All three of the glosses. Next time we're gonna try, like, hopefully someone online will get us a ring light. We try to get better filling videos so we can actually show y'all us filling them all and everything in the process. But yeah, I actually like these, and the new collection is gonna be so cute. Just gotta wait to see. It's gonna be so cute. But yeah, be sure to like. I said, but yeah, like, I'm laying it right now. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we got more to come soon. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, TikTok, add us on Snapchat, and everything else. All the links will be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching.